Hi everybody. This is a new code I wrote with the help of ChatGPT. It is on the GitHub and splash image over text. Okay, this is the public what's a public project on my GitHub. So how can you want if you want to use this directly? If you have Visual Studio installed, Python and everything, just open Visual Studio like this and use clone a repository. Okay, choose this one and paste. I'm sorry, just use this one. So copy and paste over here. I have the same project that's giving me a problem, so I don't want to do next, but after that you will have this project ready. Here it is. So only thing you need to install this request and this flow to get these libraries modules. So if you have never done that before, you can go over to Python environments in the solution view. Okay, right click. Yeah, Python environments, right click, add environments. Oh, view all Python environments. I believe I was using that, and here you can type request, for example. There's requests, and then when you do that, creates this one pip install flow. So or request. Let me do this. Click here. It's asked me to install, but we already installed. So you can install all these things step by step, all of them. Two things you need to install: the flow and request. Okay, this is set up. I believe you will figure out and ask ChatGPT if you're stuck. So go back to here. How can you run it? So in this project file, if I go to the solution and right click and open folder in File Explorer, you will get this folder structure. So we don't have much. If you look at in the solution, let me close this. We have only one py code. Py, this Python code. This is Microsoft's project things. Don't worry about it. And content. When I double click on content, you will see whatever the text you put, it will be on the image. So let's run it. You may say, where do you get the image? I use this URL on Splash random. Let me open this one for you. When I click it opened here, you see it's bringing me related to the cyber. If I click again, it will give me some other thing. These are nice, right? If you don't like that images, but you want to have landscape flowers, you can have many things, and you can click and you get flowers. You can click and get other things. Every time it will bring me random picture. Okay, so I will be using this as an input. So when I run this, everything is running successfully. It says look at the output image, blah blah. If you look at this output here, and there's two versions of it downloaded. One of them is without a change, original, and the other one, the text, whatever I put, it prints over here. Okay, so let me change this. Hello, wonderful people. For example, this one, and save. This is the content.txt. Okie dokie. And I go back to here and run again my code. And this 7638 is just generated. Let's go. And this one, here we go. Hello, wonderful people. That's it. It's simple and fun. You will love it. And it's very useful to create this kind of code. So you can have many things you can put and hit run. If you're unhappy with this image, run again. And then it will do just in a second. Sometimes it takes a while. So new image will be here. So maybe you like this one better, right? Choose whichever you want. That's all. Thank you. Let me end this video.